What's up, you crazy people? Let's talk about the crypto timeline for the rest of 2021 and specific price predictions because I literally know everything. I have a crystal ball. Everything that I say comes true. I'm a straight up genius, and you guys should probably understand that. If you're not following me on Twitter, I've been posting all of this at KillAbe as it comes out, and a lot of this is already playing out, so I just want to go off the dome here. I didn't have time to prepare a nice, presentation for you because I'm busy doing this grown man's riddle online with Alex Becker. So stupid. But anyway, let's talk about this timeline that I already talked about, okay? A very funny timeline that I can actually see playing out for the rest of the year for crypto is that this China FUD, all of this Evergrande crap is going to lead today. Today there is an event. If you are not paying attention to this, you don't know what you're talking about. This is the federal FOMC meeting. They're going to talk about tapering. If you don't know what tapering is, go watch my video from yesterday. But basically it means we're going to stop printing money. And the answer to that is, no, we're not. No, we're never going to stop. We're never going to stop. And I've actually been tweeting about this a lot too. So you can just come on here and look at it like this guy's face. Don't worry, guys. Big Daddy, all-powerful Jerome Powell is scheduled to speak tomorrow at 2:30. The market shall be saved simply by refusing to even talking about tapering due to the unprecedented real estate risks in China as well as the Delta variant. So we can't stop printing, guys, because China and because the Delta variant. Duh! I'm never going to stop printing money. Are you serious? And actually, here, I'm skipping all around here, but this will make sense in a second, okay? Last night, we actually got confirmation that this is all a giant, massive scam because guess what? Just like I told you in the video a couple days ago, China's central bank is actually coming in and bailing out Evergrande already. They're already injecting money into the banking system. They're already going to start printing money to fix the problem, which is why I said money printer go burr. I'm pretty sure when Jay Powell gets in a fight with his wife, he just wakes up in the morning and says, burr, and he starts his little money printer. And she says, oh, Jerome, you know the way to my heart. I'm funny, guys. Check me out. If you're not following me on Twitter, you're missing some good laughs. But seriously, the United States is not going to be outdone by China. China already started money printing to fix this problem. That's confirmed. And now we're going to start the same thing today at 2:30 Eastern. I've been telling you guys this on Twitter before it's happening, okay? Which is why I think that this is all a giant, massive scam to steal your coins, literally. The timing is just too good. So all these billionaires, I have another tweet somewhere in here, I can't find it, but basically all these billionaires knew about Evergrande literally 3 months ago, right? So let's think about this. They knew about it 3 months ago, but all of a sudden, all the news articles about Evergrande, they came out on Monday. Why all of a sudden, right? The markets start to dump. Everyone's panicking. Oh my Lord, we're all gonna die. And then, 48 hours play out. Bitcoin drops down. The stock market drops down. The billionaires start buying everything. Yay, we stole your coins, you sissy paper-handed freaks. And then, all of a sudden, the good news comes out. Oh, that's convenient, isn't it? Isn't that convenient how, now China's bailing everyone out 48 hours later? It just gives them enough time. It literally just gives them enough time for China. And here's the actual, here's the actual information there if you want to know why this doesn't even matter in the first place. Evergrande literally doesn't matter to the United States. It's not going to affect us. It's not the Lehman Brothers. It's just fake news trying to steal your coins. Okay, so all this fake news comes out. Are you guys with me? I don't have time to do a graph, okay? Fake news comes out on Monday. Okay, 48 hours, all the markets tank. The billionaires buy it at 40K. They all buy Bitcoin. They all buy stocks. They all buy everything measured at Bitcoin at 40K. Then all of a sudden, the good news starts coming out, just as planned. The Chinese, like I said, where the hell? I tweet a lot. My God, the Chinese start printing money. You saw that, okay? Now today, the Jerome Powell is going to meet with the Federal Reserve, and he's going to say, "Oh well, we can't stop printing money because of China," even though that's already been solved. So then the markets are going to react again. That is my prediction for today. You can check it out if you want. I think there's going to be a good reaction to what Jerome says today. So let's say I'm right about that. Let's say, the market starts headed back toward 50K Bitcoin, right? I say in 1 to 3 weeks, we're going to be above 50K, headed towards 60K. Why do I think that? Why is that going to happen? Because it's clear in the supply and demand metrics. I told you Willy Woo is the guy for this, guys. He hasn't even sent out another letter. If he did, I would show you. He's just tweeting that, look, nothing has changed. All the same people are buying. The whales, the people that never sell their coins, the holders, the people that control the long-term price of this market, they are not selling. Look, they're not. They're continuing to buy this dip because they're not little sissy paper-handed weirdos like a lot of you people, okay? They're buying this. Look at this. Look at this. This is the price going down, right? This is called a bullish divergence. The price is going down and the supply shock, the amount of coins available for sale are going, there's less of them, okay? This is not going to work out well for bears. If you are a bear right now, I feel so bad for you. Oh, it's gonna short it down to 30K, Jimmy. Short it. You're going to get freaking destroyed. I guarantee you right now that in the next 1 to 3 weeks, we are back above 50K as long as Jerome Powell says something decent today, which I believe that he will. Okay, so let's get back to my timeline. Okay, this is actually, it's a funny timeline, but it's amazing how beautiful it is. In October, I do think we are going to get an ETF, October or November, for Bitcoin. This will bring approximately $10 trillion into the Bitcoin network, which means we will all be rich. Okay, if you have any coins at all, you are going to be so filthy rich, because in November, Bitcoin will be above 100K Bitcoin, which means all of these altcoins that I've been telling you idiots to buy over the past few weeks, these are going to go absolutely bonker crazy insane. Okay, let's go back to what I said yesterday, because this is honestly the only way that you lose. Okay, the only way that you lose is sitting on the sideline for this. Okay, the game is rigged, guys. This little game they played was just a combination of, oh, it's September. September's a bad month for Bitcoin. We might as well dump it a little bit so that we can buy it up and send it back. This is all manipulated. This is all a joke. This Evergrande stuff never actually mattered. They're going to fix it. They've already fixed it. The Fed is going to print more money, and October is going to be an absolute massacre for everything else. It's going to absolutely destroy everything else. Anything that tries to stop this Q4 crypto bonanza is going to get slapped in the face by Batman here. Okay, it seriously is. And so the only way that you lose is if you sit on the sideline. That is my humble opinion. I've been all in for a while. I think that Polkadot looks strong as hell here. Look at this Polkadot chart. We have a green thrust candle above the confirmation line here. We are trading above this range, which means we are strong. We are having a nice strong bounce here off the lows. Bitcoin is a little bit weaker here. Now we're back to 42. Good Lord, you guys are a bunch of sissies. Ethereum, not bouncing as strongly. AVAX has kind of been leading the market and is also not bouncing as strongly here. Another one, let's go to Sol. Sol still, DOT, I think it hopefully will lead this rally out of this BS. Like, honestly, I think it could lead the way out into the promised land, which would be incredible for all of those coins that I told you about. Here's the other indicator. It looks fine on the daily, on the 4 hour. It actually looks pretty good for Bitcoin. As you can see, we got a 4 hour up arrow here on the Bitcoin. So I think people are kind of thinking the same thing that I'm thinking, that this meeting is going to go well. I'm not going to click on my portfolio here because it might show you the actual numbers. I'm not sure if I hid the dollar amounts here, but if you are interested in what you should, everyone's like, Kale, I had so many DMs, guys. I had so many DMs. Everyone's asking me the same questions. Okay, so I put an answer here on my Twitter somewhere to all the main common questions. Okay, I tried to answer all of these. Should I invest in X coin over Y coin? Should I invest in this coin over that coin? Or if I only have $2,000, should I put $1 here and $6 there and $7? I'm not going to answer all these questions, guys. Just go watch this video. Okay, this is where my entire altcoin portfolio. Okay, I literally it's got a lot of views. It's a good video. Okay, I walk through every single coin that I buy. I haven't sold any of these, guys. The only one I sold, I actually didn't sell any. The only thing I added was Joe the other day. Literally, I have the exact same portfolio as I had when I filmed this video, so go watch it. And then all these other ones, the one from yesterday, the one from this, like all of these videos are very, very relevant and are saying similar things to what I'm talking about right now. So if you're scared off about all of the events and you're looking at the chart and you're like, we're all gonna die, we're going back to 30K, you need to calm down. This is where you buy and this is where you make the money, okay? All the little sissies are selling right now, and all the billionaires are sitting back there with their bourbons, with their glasses of whatever, their $1,000 margarita that they just got at the taco place. Who even makes $1,000 margaritas? I don't know. They're drinking them, and they're literally laughing at you because if you sell them right now, you're a stupid, stupid human. That's all I got. I'll see you later. Bye.